Yes, good evening, Knights of Metro Manila. Dito kami ngayon sa Knights of Metro Manila National Office, no? Ngayon po, babalita ko lang po sa lahat ng members, officers. Ang ating award mula sa Bali, Indonesia ay dumating na dito sa ating National Office. Ito po yung Asia Pacific Excellence Awards of 2025, Knights of Metro Manila, Most Promising Fraternal Organization for Good Leadership and Service in the Philippines. Katabi na po ng ating Most Trusted Business Award, no? Most Trusted Fraternal Brotherhood of 2024, no? Dito naman yung ating certification para doon sa ating Save the Earth Project, tree planting sa Kaliwa River Forest Reserve, Southern Sierra Madre, together with Miriam College and DENR. Maraming salamat po. Andito na.